entrepreneurship requires a mindset shift. This is not just about making money. This is about building business. And guess where it should start? Right here. I keep telling you guys over and over and over again that for most of us, we were raised and we were taught using the school system on how to become an employee, not how to become an entrepreneur. That is why it is challenging for us. So if you're an employee, it is challenging for us to transition from employment to entrepreneurship because there's a lot of mindset shift. Not to mention that if you're an employee, well, guess what? Your friends are probably mga college friends mo or mga katrabaho mo rin. And guess what kind of mindset do they have as well? Employment. That is the thing. That is why in news or from someone, right? We constantly hear, bakit yung mga Chinese magagaling sa negosyo? Number one, wala naman sa blood nila. Okay? Wala naman sa any proof or any science that shows that they're better business than everyone else. The difference is many Chinese, of course, hindi naman lahat, but many Chinese at a very young age, they're already exposed in businesses. Simple lang maningil sila or simpleng tong bata na to pinagbantay ng tindahan ng magulang niya o tong bata na to inutusan ng nanay niya, maningil or maybe meeting with an accountant, whatever that may be. They're already exposed, in other words. But for us, kabaliktaran right? For us, it's like our parents are encouraging us, go get a degree, go get a job, be good at school. In fact, diba, minsan nga napapagalitan pa tayo pagka ang grade natin is just average, right? Minsan nagiging competitive. Kahit na yung estudyante, kahit na yung anak umiiyak na, nahihirapan na, right? Sometimes you have to check yourself too if you have kids. Are you really pushing them to school? Is it really for them or is it really for you? That's the thing. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.